In this quick video, I'll show you how to add a Kanban board in Miro to keep your projects organized and your workflow smooth. Start by opening your existing Miro board. This is your workspace where everything comes together. On the left-hand toolbar, click the Apps icon. It looks like a small plus sign. This opens Miro's library of tools. Scroll down to the planning section and find the Kanban tool. To make things easier for future projects, drag and pin the Kanban tool to your toolbar so it's always within reach. Now, click the Kanban icon from your toolbar and place it anywhere on your board. Don't worry about perfect placement. You can easily resize or move it later by dragging its edges. Next, it's time to customize your board. Add columns or swim lanes by clicking the plus icons. You can drag them to reorder, rename each title by double-clicking, and right-click for more options like changing colors or deleting items. This lets you match your board's look and structure to your exact workflow. And that's it. You've just created your own fully customized Kanban board in Miro, ready to manage tasks visually and efficiently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.